Welcome back. Going to the dentist can definitely be scary, but I know I feel much better when I know I'm going to a dentist who's invested in my overall health and staying current on developments in the medical field. And that's exactly what our sponsors at Lotus Dental are doing. And Dr. Shepard DeLong joined me the other day to chat all about their holistic approach to dentistry. Dr. DeLong, thank you so much for coming back.
Thank you, Ashley. It's really a pleasure to be back.
Yes, anytime you want to chill on the couch, this is your spot.
Oh, nice. Well, I'll make myself at home then.
Yes, absolutely. So last time you were here, we were talking about your practice and kind of getting into what you guys really stand for. And we used a couple buzzwords, holistic and biological. But can you go deeper into what that really means for your practice?
Sure. Biological and holistic, their early use in medicine was kind of used to describe alternative care. Yeah. And our emphasis is that those things are things that all doctors strive for, and they're not really alternative. It's really, all doctors want whole body wellness for their patients, and we are all striving to do things that are in line with the biology of the patient.
Yeah, I love how you say that, because even though we're talking dental, you're still a doctor who wants wellness from top to bottom.
Absolutely.
So you're thinking about different parts of our body and just working all together, and I love that.
Nice.
And we also talked about kind of you not using metals, especially when talking about ceramic implants. Is there something that we should know there?
Dental materials have gone through an evolution over time. So my grandfather was a dentist, my dad was a dentist, and the use of metals in dentistry has worked for a long time. And yet, as we seek new materials and as they evolve, you know, we used to place mercury into patients' teeth routinely because the material worked, it was strong. But we found that that wasn't actually the healthiest material for patients. So now for filling materials, we use ceramics. Yeah. And a similar evolution is happening in dental implantology. Titanium's been the gold standard for about 50 plus years, and it works. Yeah. But we're staying on the cutting edge, and there are now materials that offer some advantages. So ceramic implants are white, they don't corrode, and gum cells actually like them. Ooh. And they integrate as well as titanium.
I think everyone out there can appreciate how our dentist, Dr. DeLong, is kind of keeping up with the technology, because like you said, things have evolved, and it's nice to know that your practice and you yourself are kind of keeping up with things, and we're not just going back to the same old, because that's what we've been doing for so long. Right. It's nice to know that you're like keeping us up to date with things. Absolutely. I love that. And I really want to talk about something that you guys offer, that high level of healthcare. And do you think that that's going to be like the new standard?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think that the new standards are evolving and being defined every day. And we're a big part of that. Using precision instruments, using the highest level of technology, things like the microscope, operating microscope, robotics, and artificial intelligence to help in diagnosis and amassing healthcare data so that we can actually choose the best treatments for our patients. You know, when I do a procedure with the microscope or utilizing the robot, it really decreases my stress while delivering the same level or even increased level of patient care.
That's what I need. I need your stress level to be as low as possible.
Well, thank
when
you.
You're getting in, working on my mouth, I want this man as smooth and stress-free as possible.
Yeah, well, it increases our confidence and assures or ensures that we have a really high level of patient care. Yeah. And it's not just all on the doctor, it's proper pre-planning, proper team preparation, proper informed consent with the patient, and then we're able to deliver a really high level of care, and the mental and physical fatigue on the doctor is reduced.
Well, Dr. DeLong, this is so perfect. I feel like I'm ready for a dentist appointment right now.
Well, come on over.
I mean, you are so soothing in your explanation of everything. I cannot wait for it. And you're going to come back soon, because we're going to talk about mentoring and the AI. We love technology over here, but it's kind of invading in the dental industry, and I can't wait to dive into that. So that's like a little nugget for all y'all out there.
It's really exciting because medical information is doubling about every 72 days.
Yeah.
So I don't even know what we're going to talk about next time.
It's a secret.
But I'm excited.
Yes. Well, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks, Ashley.
A huge thank you to our sponsors at Lotus Dental Wellness. Give them a call today so they can take care of you and get that smile bright, okay? Now, it is